If you want to manage users within your organization, you would use the User Management tool. I'm going to click on the Admin tab up here, and we'll look at some of those features. Let's take a look at how to manage users within your organization. Once I'm on the User Management screen, I'll get a list of all the current users that are already in my organization. I can click Edit over here on the right and look at the details for this particular user. I can modify any of those details, reset passwords, update phone numbers, things like that. I can also add users. Simply populate all the necessary fields. I do recommend using users' email address for their usernames. That way you avoid any potential issues with duplicate other users on our service. Once all of that information has been populated, you can set some other options. So down here, you have the opportunity to force the user to change their password whenever they first log in. That way they can set up their own password unique to them. You can turn on or off whether you want that user to receive the initial welcome email. This is a helpful email because it provides a link for them to log in with, and it provides that temporary password for them that you have created. We encourage you to add phone numbers in here in case we need to get a hold of anyone for troubleshooting purposes. Again, we have some user roles that you can define, end users, administrator accounts. That's the features that we're looking at now. And then this is rare, but we do have the option for aerial uploaders. This simply is a user account that would upload aerial imagery that has been collected by a drone for inventory counting purposes. You have the ability to allow this user to request flights through our pilot network, whether or not you want this user to receive email notifications, perhaps about completed measurements that are ready for review, or perhaps about a drone flight that has been uploaded and piles are ready for tagging. Lastly, you want to make sure that you select the organization that this user belongs to. Now, this will be turned off by default. You want to make sure you select the appropriate organization. So if you have a hierarchy structure within your organization, like this one here, go ahead and assign them to that district or that region or whatever applies to you. Otherwise, just pick the primary organization here up at the top. Then simply add user down here at the bottom. And that's how you add users to your organization.